Radio City Center Stage.
Thank you for joining in, sir. Like they said, Radio City Center Stage is this show जहाँ पर आपसे बात हो रही है as a boss, as somebody who's presented us उम्मीदें, and there will be so much to talk about, sir. So yes, on Radio City we have the business head from JK Walmax, Mr. Niranjan Mishra. So welcome to Radio City, and I hope you're all well and safe. सबसे पहले तो.
We are all fine, we are all safe and staying happy.
Sir, सबसे पहले first and foremost question is आपने कैसे motivated रखा है खुद को, during this time yourself, to motivate your team, you have to be pumped up all the time. How did you do it over this past 2 months?
Of course, it was a kind of a trial run last year when we all went through the similar exercise. But this year, of course, just the way the biggest thing that came to us was that पिछला साल भी जब पूरे time नहीं चला, so this will also come to an end. So that was the biggest, the biggest motivating factor for me or my own self to
Right.
remain happy, to remain positive. And plus, we were around, we were at home, so obviously the family is there, so that plays a very important role for everyone to be happy around. And so that's the way, and it was all done, and we knew that this is not going to last forever. So that was a very positive streak, which kept us going.
I kept on repeating on the show कि अगर आप इस वक्त साथ हैं, आपको 1 नहीं 2 महीने घर से काम करना पड़े, but the fact that you're breathing and the fact that you're with your family, I think सबसे बड़ी blessing है. मुझे लगता है लाइफ में gratitude का मतलब यही है कि फैमिली के साथ बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं. There's nothing better than that, sir.
Absolutely.
Also, टीम को सर कैसे मोटिवेट रखते हो? वैसे भी when you're at a leadership position, it's very difficult to keep the team together. It's not easy as a business head. पर इस टाइम पर उनको साथ भी रखना है, उनको मोटिवेट भी करना है, because सबकी स्ट्रगल्स होंगी लाइफ में. So anything specific from your end, from the team that you've done for your team?
The team is concerned, as a company, we took a very conscious call that the only difference is that we are working from home. And
Right.
working from home to make sure that we all are safe, we all are with our family, and everybody is deriving strength from each other. Apart from this, while the biggest thing that we did last year was, we made sure that we ordered all the increments and promotions. This year as well, we've done the same
Wow.
thing. People have got the increments, people have got the good appraisals, and that is something which has actually kept them going, because they felt that, look here, when you see all around in the environment where companies are holding back increments, holding back promotions just to cut on the expenses, we said no, let us keep our employees motivated. And obviously a motivated employee is far more productive for the company. He thinks about the company, he thinks for the company, and he thinks ahead of the times, and that's exactly what has helped us going. Apart from this, of course, we realized the importance of social social interactions, and so that's what we
Yes.
did. So we had all kinds of games on the web. We used to have tambolas, we used to have antaksharis, and everybody was together with their families. Both the plants in Katni as well as in Gotan, and of course the entire sales team, and it was good fun. And obviously, the technology made it easier for us. So that's that. In fact, the kind of results which the team turned in was enough, indicator of the fact that how motivated they were. In fact, the results were beyond my expectations as well. I was pleasantly surprised to see all this.
So, like Hitesh was saying it, and I was also reading 33 years. I mean, I have a simple question that I ask everybody. आपने 10 साल पहले, did you put yourself? वो होता है ना, हम सोचते हैं कि 10 years later वो question जो typical हमसे पूछा जाता है interviews में, 10 साल बाद आप अपने को कहाँ देखते हो? Did you really plan your life like that? I'll be a business head of one of the biggest, companies one day. Plan है in the journey?
जब start किया था way back in 1986, the one advice which my father gave me was live the moment,
Yes.
do your best, and take care of smallest of things. The largest of things will take care of themselves.
Wow.
कुछ ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ. Obviously, I was lucky to be suitably rewarded. I was lucky to be a part of a very, very highly motivated teams throughout all these 35 years. Now it is 35 years. 35 years. So yes, and things have pulled it out on their own. I really didn't have to do much, and God was kind. That's it.
people who are really successful and people who really achieve are genuinely men of very few words. बहुत कम शब्दों में. And मैं ये line चुराने वाली हूँ जो आपके father ने आपको बोली थी, because I totally think it is so true. छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान
Absolutely.
रख लो, बड़ी बड़ी मुसीबतें खुद अपने को handle कर लेती हैं. कोई ऐसा moment है sir in these so many years that is very precious to you, you know, the closest to your heart?
Difficult to single out one, but yes, मेरे जो दिमाग में जो आज की तारीख में, you know, which I feel if I could do it all over again. You see, I had a colleague in one of my earlier assignments, and he was good, but careless. And we are more often than not, I used to find, he used to be on the other side of the receiving end, you know.
Right.
Poor chap, you know, because of his carelessness, he used to, you know, miss out on a lot of things. And I was able to, you know, counsel him, coach him. And the good part was, initially when I started my counseling sessions with him, they were not formal counseling, right? They were just interactions because we used to work together throughout the day. Right. And slowly, steadily, the way, you know, the things kept moving, and I found that he was changing his attitude over a period of time. And eventually, I think about 7 years back, he became the head of vertical in a pretty big company. Wow. And so he was, and the good part was, he said, you know, that what you did to me, I'm doing to my colleagues.
Wow.
So, you know, so that was something, you know, which I felt, well, the corporate world has given you so much, and you are able to give even a part of it back to the society. It's wonderful. And that is the biggest accomplishment, if I could say, that yes, that person, you know, not because he became big, because he continued the legacy of giving something back to his juniors. Now, that is something which I feel is the biggest accomplishment. And I mean, I'm just stealing away the credit. That's it.
You should take the credit, sir. We really need people who can groom the employees to actually be a good leader. And I think that takes a lot of everything. उम्मीदें की बात करते हैं सर. It's beautiful. मैंने गाना भी देखा है.
Oh, yes.
In fact, मुझे इसका थोड़ा पहले idea हो गया था because one of the PR firms, they got in touch with me regarding the interview as well. तो मैंने कहा कि यार, that's a fantastic initiative anyway. मेरी ना वैसे भी favorite word है hope. Like a podcast that I run is about उम्मीद and hope. Because yes. I think that's the only word that takes you, and you know, you can just survive anything.
क्यों छाई है ये उदासियां, है तो ये तेरा मेरा आशियां, माना मुश्किल की है घड़ियां, साथ है हम तुम अकेले कहाँ, क्यों है मायूसियां छाई, क्यों तन्हाइयां, माना मुश्किल की है घड़ियां, साथ है अकेले कहाँ, एक दूसरे का सहारा हम जो बन जाए, तूफान ये भी गुजर जाएगा, आएगी फिर से सुबह, ढल जाएगी आंधियां, गाएगा फिर से जहां, मिट जाएगी दूरियां, छाएगा फिर से समा, खिल जाएगा आसमां, लौट आएगी खुशियां, मिट जाएगी दूरियां.
What was your thought behind उम्मीदें sir? And then roping in Shan, मतलब चीनी घुली हुई आवाज़ है उनकी वैसी. So ये कैसे हुआ पूरा?
All of us were, you know, जितनी हमारी discussions होती हैं, you know, interactions होती हैं with the part of the team. So the team felt that let us develop something which is very different.
Right.
Let us do something which would, you know, which would touch everybody's life. And music is something which touches everyone.
Yeah.
If anybody says that I don't like music, then he possibly is the farthest away from truth. Everybody, there is not a single individual in this world you would come across who will not hum a song. No
Yes.
matter, he may not listen to the radio, but he hums, right?
Yes.
So, you know, one of my colleagues suggested, how about doing a song which we composed together, which we put together. So that's how the idea started off. Sure, Ayaki, let us all act together in that
Yes.
song. So I said, act together now, camera and all of us, yeah. कोई बात नहीं sir, करेंगे, you know. We'll do a good job of it. And the good part was the way it was all put forth, put together, the team. It was completely an in-house work. Of course, I mean, I'm not talking about the electronics, but the concept, the direct, everything was, in-house, done by our own team, for our own people. And when it came out, it was beyond expectation. And I'm really happy to say that it's now 14 million impressions or something. It's got now.
Yes.
The day the song was released, my daughter kept humming the song throughout the day. And she said to me next morning, Dad, raat ko aankh khuli to I was just humming that song. I said, well, fine. I mean, that's it. Because it's in the spirit, the positivity of the whole song, the entire, the euphoria which was generated around it. It's really wonderful.
Sir, you said music is therapy. Now that we were talking about Umeedin, what's your favorite therapy, वैसे, beyond music or along with music? How do you bring yourself back on track sometimes, जब गाड़ी थोड़ी derail हो रही है दिमाग की?
I am very fond of reading. I read quite a lot. And I love reading books, and so anything and everything that I can lay hands on, I love to read that. Second is, of course, music to sunte hi hain, music keeps playing every time at home. So ye do cheez, I think they are the best levelers, the best unwinding aids for anyone.
Yes.
Whatever he is doing. So these are the two things that I do.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to us. It was a lovely conversation. And I think, even we need our doses of motivation sometimes. And these conversations are just perfect that. So thank you, sir, baat karne ke liye.
Such a pleasure. And I wish you all the very best.